Never start planting pineapples with seeds. Otherwise, you need to. It takes 30 days to germinate. Drill out of the soil. If you are impatient, must have forgotten him long ago. Watch their growth carefully. That's interesting. It started as a weed. As time goes by, and the leaves begin to unfold, they use their strength. You grow up. I want to be bigger than you. In order to be exposed to more light. Perform photosynthesis, manufacturing nutrients. In fact, they all share the same goal. That is to make the whole plant powerful. In the midst of such healthy competition, pineapple plants have entered a period of rapid growth. It grows from seed to more than 30 centimeters in 150 days. Time flies. 183 days of careful care under the plant growth lamp. Successfully cultivated a pot of green plants. It may take about 5 years before it blooms and bears fruit. Grow pineapples from seeds. I'm sure most people can't do it. We can use the head of a pineapple. That is, its crown buds reproduce asexually. Remove excess pulp. Break the blades at the bottom. You'll see a few dots. That's the root stage. Roots will grow from these places later. Potted plants at home with pineapple heads. It usually blooms in 2 to 3 years. Pineapple blooms are purple. It's very peculiar. Every bud blooms from bottom to top. Each flower is a berry in itself. They fuse together and they produce a fruit. Known as the chrysanthemum fruit, a pineapple plant blooms and bears fruit only once in its lifetime. This old plant is no longer useful, but the thin buds growing at the bottom of it can be planted as new seedlings. Cycle of transplantation. Grow your own pineapples at home. It takes a lot of patience. It should be maintained as a pot of green plants. If it blooms and bears fruit, it was a pleasant surprise. Did you learn it?